With all 6 infinity shells, I can simply snap my fingers, and half the supply of toilet paper in the world will disappear. Oh, by the way, I was nominated by Mauso Ultron for the 25-day push-up challenge, so here it is, day 1. Let's go.
What? He already has the power shell, time shell? She sells seashells on the seashore shells?
And all he needs now is the coconut shell. Captain American Samoa, we need to assemble a team of fresh Avengers.
We should hold auditions, Niko Fury.
That's it?
It is. I am very excited. First audition of the day.
Yes, they're all lining up outside. And what are you going to do for us today? Oh.
I am Doctor Strange.
What's up, Docs?
Wait. So you're a magician?
Think of an OPEC player between 1 and 15.
Okay.
You seen Parody, a Pacific Islander?
Get out of my head, you.
How's that even magic? Half the All Black Squad are islanders anyways. Hey, take it easy, buddy. You're in the squad.
I am Black Panther.
Can you hear what it is?
No.
Do you mind taking off your...
I am Black Panther. I come from the land of Nawaka.
Where's Nawaka?
In Fiji.
Oh, pull-up plan.
Pull.
Nawaka forever.
You gang let me join the team. After we win, we gonna have some cover. Sit,
Sit, brother.
sit,
Sit, Mantan.
sit.
Sit, dude.
Upset.
This guy's a bit shiny.
Yeah.
Hey.
Celebrity.
Alola Maupito. I'm half Samoan, half Tongan Do.
Are you sure you don't have enough baby oil on you there, mate?
Yeah, that's a potential workplace hazard.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So, what do you do? Are you a builder?
Oh, maybe it's this. Is it this thing?
Your hammer.
Oh, here, go, mate.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother. Tokuso, eh? That's my uso. And Tokuso.
I love you.
I am Taro Libre, luchador extraordinario.
Okay. And what kind of powers do you have?
I summon eagle powers from eagle eggs.
Next. Black Widow?
G'day. I'm here to audition for Thor, God of Thunder.
But we already have a Thor.
Mate, everyone knows Thor's Australian. Duh. Pull up to your galaxy. Thanos always trying to ask for me. Had to say no cause the man looks like an 8-foot eggplant emoji.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah, that's it's still a no for me. Sorry.
I'm Quicksilver, fastest metamutant superhero in the Pacific.
That's a pretty big call, mate. Why don't you prove it to us?
I just did.
We're waiting.
Aye, Captain.
Okay, we'll call you, okay? Thank you. Next. So how does that even help us?
Well, I can flip 3 burger patties with this hand while tossing salad with this hand.
Yeah, I guess we will need catering. Wolverine, you're going to Hollywood.
That's a golden buzzer.
Oh, and I can put another shrimp on the barbie.
Kia ora, bros. I'm auditioning for Cork. I'm made out of paper, as you can see.
That sounds like Taika. Taika Waititi.
But don't let that intimidate you. You don't need to be afraid unless you're made out of rocks. Just a little rock, paper, scissors joke there for you.
Yeah, okay. I mean, like, what kind of power do you have?
I can take notes. There you go. Or I can print out some pamphlets. How's that?
You look very fragile. You might get out there and get burned or...
Yeah, you might get a paper cut.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you anyway. Don't talk all the mission, don't talk all the cause. All right? You boys take care now.
Oh, it's Tony Stark.
It's dark.
It's not that dark. It's still quite bright inside here. There's a nice light ambience rolling in from outside.
Dread it. Run from it. Destiny arrives. All the same.
Oh, is it?
Hey, auditions are closed.
By the way, we have a hook.
Ooh.
Doesn't look like a shadow charge, that one. Yeah, I don't know if he used the armor there. Eh? Might have to check with the TMO.
Avengers! Kakawai Kawakawa!
Who has the last shell? Give it to me now.
Hold on, mate. Hold on, wait. I have the last shell.
I am inevitable.
Are you sure?